WiiM-Me up, Scotty. The high-res streamer that makes audiophiles cry happy tears. Not your grandma's radio box, meet the WiiM Ultra, the sleek silver audio sorcerer built to outclass, outlast, and outwow the rest. Wrapped in aircraft-grade aluminum with a dazzling 3.5-inch glass touchscreen, this high-res music streamer isn't just a pretty face, it's packing a next-gen ES9038 Q2M DAC for studio-grade sound and a headphone amp so precise, it could make Beethoven rise from the grave for a listen. With THD+N down to minus 116 decibels and SNR up to 121 decibels, it's not just clear, it's whisper into your soul kind of clarity. Forget overhyped gear, this one earns its respect with every decibel. Spotify? Tidal? NAS? HDMI ARC? Yeah, it eats them all for breakfast and asks for seconds. Unlike other streamers that fumble basic connectivity, the WiiM Ultra comes with every modern port under the audio sun: USB, RCA, Optical, Coaxial, Phono, HDMI ARC, sub-out, even a dedicated headphone jack. And yes, it plays nice with Alexa, Google Assistant, Roon, DLNA, and your existing multi-room setup. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 ensure your signal's rock solid while you're flexing that 24-bit/192 kHz high-res audio. It's like having an audio control center in your living room, and it actually listens when you tell it what to do. Turning your home theater into a sonic warzone? WiiM Ultra's got your six. With HDMI ARC and subwoofer out, this baby powers cinematic soundscapes that make explosions more boom and dialogue more crisp. EQ controls and bass management let you shape your sound like an audio Michelangelo. Whether it's action, romance, or a Netflix binge of chaotic cooking shows, the WiiM Ultra makes your entertainment pop with 2.1 channel precision. One cable to connect. One app to control. Zero headaches. It's like handing your sound system a brain upgrade, without the snooty price tag. Save money, time, and your sanity with one sleek silver box of streaming genius. Ditch the extra boxes, dongles, clunky interfaces, and overpriced premium brands. The WiiM Ultra does the job of 3 devices, costs less than one luxury DAC, and doesn't ask you to join a cult. It boots fast, pairs faster, and updates often, so it gets smarter over time. Whether you're building a setup from scratch or upgrading a dusty Frankenstein rig, this unit future-proofs your gear with Roon-ready certification and multi-room support. If time is money, the WiiM Ultra is your full refund. In a world full of overpriced audio fluff, WiiM Ultra is the real deal, tech-tested, audiophile-praised, and wallet-approved. It's not a question of whether it's better than the competition, it's a question of how much better. Durable build, user-friendly interface, advanced streaming capabilities, and a sound profile that punches way above its class. Customers say it rivals streamers 3x the price. It's intuitive, effective, and honestly, kinda addictive. Whether you're a casual listener or sonic purist, the WiiM Ultra delivers performance, power, and polish in one jaw-dropping silver slab. Go ahead, press play. Your ears have never had it this good.